Article 2 from the Part 1 of our Indian Constitution empowers the Parliament to establish or admit any new state into the Union of India. Now it's very clear from this provision that it authorizes the Parliament to establish any new state or admit a state into the Union of India. Now I would like to take a pause here and draw your attention to the phrase Union of India and see what or how is it different from the phrase Union of State as mentioned in Article 1. See, from Article 1 we understand that the Union of State means the coming together of state by an absence of an agreement to form a stronger country. But when we look at the phrase Union of India, we understand that we are only focusing our attention on the states, excluding the territories as in Union territories and other such territories that has been acquired by our country. So, the Article 2 authorizes the Parliament or empowers the Parliament to establish a new state as in which might not be existing earlier or admit a state which might have been existing earlier into the Union of India. So I hope you enjoyed my way of explaining the Article 2. Thank you and have a good day.